Here I've got ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and let me show you how to add profile picture to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the contacts if you are not already here, then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it's Jude. Then tap on edit icon right here and click on the camera icon to add the profile picture to your contact. And now you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your gallery. And let me pick choose photo, then pick if you would like to use photos or the gallery. Let me pick gallery. And now let's pick the picture that you would like to apply, then crop it. To customize it, you can obviously make it smaller, bigger, as you wish, but I will leave it this way, and then tap on done. So as you can see, from now on, this picture is assigned to this contact. Just click on save to save the changes, and whenever Jude will be calling you, you will be able to see this picture at first, so you will have no doubts who is calling you. And that would be all, so you can add profile picture to a contact. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.